This is a simple wire example. We've got a curve pattern here that we're going to create a simple contour from. So this has already been pre-created. So I'm just going to view from the top and just play the simulation. So here we have the approach move and the retract move, and you can see it's actually approaching perpendicular to this particular edge. I'm going to stop that simulation. Just going to open the die feature itself and look inside here. We can see from the start position we've got pick only perpendicular lead, so this is only going to work perpendicular to all of these contour passes. So if I choose any random position, let's say here, and you can see it's identifying perpendicular to each of these faces. So here it can't identify a perpendicular position. Okay, so only on the ones where it can reach perpendicular. So to actually attack this region here, we need a non-perpendicular lead. So we can choose this option inside FeatureCAM, say pick only perpendicular lead. We can turn this off and then choose again. So now choose here, and now you can see it's following along these edges here, these contour edges, so I can now identify in this region anywhere around the part. Choose my position. There's my chosen start position. Apply. Okay, and then re-simulate. We now get that non-perpendicular lead into the contour. Now the idea here is we can actually reduce the loading of that wire against the part by taking away this perpendicular move. So let's also look inside the die again. We can also change the way that we approach here as well. So I'm just going to go back to a perpendicular operation. Let's just choose position here and apply. So under the contour itself we have this lead style option here, and from here we can change the types of leads that we're using. So if I go for teardrop, for example, and apply, let's preview that operation. We can see we get this teardrop shape into the part itself. Let's speed up the simulation. Let's pull this back and let's just increase the size. So go for a ½ inch this time. Apply, preview, and play, just to make it a bit clearer. So now we can see the teardrop shape. Let's pull this back. Let's change to a bullet shape. Apply, again preview and play. Now we can see we've got this bullet shape. Okay, so again smooth transition in and smooth transition out of that contour. Again, go back. Let's choose the arc this time. Apply and preview. So now we've just got the arc operation there for the approach and retract. And finally the U shape. Let's apply and preview. Now you can see we've got the U shape, so it's like the bullet shape but without the join. They're all based on the same parameters, or all of them are looking at this radius of the entry and exit point on the contour itself. But again, benefit here being of course the smooth transition into and out of the contour process.